What's up, guys? This is Paul, Mother Miss BT. I'm taking over his YouTube page today. And today, we're gonna do things Jamaican parents say when you get your tongue pierced. Lord Jesus, peace. I can only imagine how me would act if Paul ever come home with him tongue pierced. If my other daughter should come home with her tongue pierced. Because we all know why these kids are doing it nowadays and them doing it a lot. So, remember, like, comment, share this video, share it on your social media, press the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, because remember, we're going to be here for a very long time. Alright, let's get into the video. Like, comment, and press the subscribe button. Let's go. Me just want to know, who tell you say you can go pierce your tongue? Eh? Who tell you say you can go pierce your tongue? Lord Jesus. Whoa. Oh God, no tell me this, no tell me say you go pierce your tongue. Where you go do that for? Explain to me where you go do that for. Little girl, you can't sit down and make me comb your picky head, but you have the nerve to go sit down and get your tongue pierced? What kind of thing this there, God? What this there, Father? You do what? No, Father God, no, God, no, tell me some pitney out there, suck nothing, buddy. No, God, no. What is sorry, my Father God? Wait there. What you mean say the lunch money me give you safe for get your tongue pierced? Alright, that's it. From now on, a beer, canned beef, and tin mackerel, and sardine sandwich me I give you go school with some sugar and water. You not take my money go pierce the tongue in ya. You mind? You know who authorized you to go do that. What you mean by what I do? May I use this and take out the tongue ring when you have in your mouth. Me not tolerate them something here in my yard. Come here to me. Me say come here to me. Don't make me have to come over there for you, you know, and dry by your lip with this and then take it out. You try give me the phone number to the place because me I gonna call them right now. You try give me the phone number because I want to ask them if they know say you're underage. So you try give me that number right now. You do what? A box, you want me box it out of your tongue? Eh? A box, you want me box it out of your tongue? Go take it out! You don't even know if them have any bacteria upon the tools where them use, but you can get the tongue pierced, eh? You don't even brush your thinking mouth in your morning time, but you can get the tongue pierced, eh? Excuse me, sir. I lick you want lick things and tickle it. Why you go get tongue ring? Eh? Me don't know what kind of nasty this that, you know. But you hear me, make sure you try take it out. And me I tell you calmly because I don't want to get upset in upon this godly Sunday. Shalom. Oh, you do what? Put on your clothes right now. Because me and you are go back down there and then I go take it out. I might end up on that place because you're underage and I'm going to sue them today. Put on your clothes and come. Well, go down there right now. And hurry up. There you have it, guys. Now, if you don't like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, have a blessed one. This is Miss BT. Paul, come here. I want to say something.
Blue sky walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday.